These lifts at 15 Astor Terrace, Spring Hill. What Eletech with really bad contrast indicators. Oh my god. No call cancel either, which makes it hard to record, but whatever. Ground. One, I guess. The other one has a voice, this one doesn't. Oh, I still have a better one, surprisingly. Where's the capacity? There's no capacity plate, that's not allowed, is it? That's annoying. See if you can get the other one. Here's the other one.
Door closing.
This one's not padded. Does this one have call cancel? Nope.
Fifth floor. Door opening.
Let's try the lower basement. No.
Going door closing.
Going door closing. It's like a. Is that the MRT or something? I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know what the capacity is.
Upper ground floor. Door opening. Going down. Door closing.
It's got the lower ground floor announcement.
Lower ground floor. Door opening. Going out. Door closing.
Good thing it says the SCH-168 controller, or maybe CH-256.
Ground floor.
No clue to be honest. I think it's the other side, isn't it?
Door opening.